Here, Jace, look. What's that?
Grape.
Baby grape?
Baby grape. Baby grape. Taste it.
You'll taste it?
That's the only one. Oh, here's a small one. Here's another one. Another baby grape?
Another baby grape.
Yeah. Should we count? Can you count with your fingers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 3.
Yep.
2, 3, 4, 5. Then what? 6. Keep going.
He's counting those logs.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
60.
7. You say 7? 8, 9, 10. One Thomas. Yeah. How many arms do you have? How many arms? 2. Oh, yeah, fingers. You're counting your fingers?
4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. You say 8? How many toes do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What are those last
9, 10.
2? Yeah, Damon. Yeah, Thomas. Okay, say bye-bye again. Say bye to the apple. No? Say bye.
Say bye, Apple.
No, that's weird. Okay, bye-bye.